Greetings, gardening and farming enthusiasts. Today we set foot into the intriguing world of the Black Langshan Hen, a poultry breed known for its striking appearance and historical significance. These birds possess unique qualities that make them stand out in the world of backyard flocks. But before we delve into this captivating exploration, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights. The Black Langshan Hen, originally from China, has a history that spans over a century. They were bred in the Langshan region of China and were introduced to the Western world in the mid-1800s. These birds have a rich heritage and have been prized for their unique appearance and versatile qualities. Black Langshan hens are medium to large-sized birds known for their elegant and striking appearance. They have a glossy black plumage that shimmers in the light with a slight greenish sheen. Their bodies are long and graceful, and they have feathered shanks and toes. To successfully raise Black Langshan hens, you'll need a well-maintained coop or shelter that provides protection from the elements. They are hardy birds that can adapt to various climates, providing clean water and a balanced diet essential for their overall health. Black Langshan hens are known for their calm and friendly temperament, making them excellent companions for other poultry breeds. They're often kept in mixed flocks where their elegance and beauty add a touch of grace to their poultry yard. Black Langshan hens are primarily valued for their ornamental and decorative purposes. While they do lay eggs, they are not known for prolific egg production. Instead, their striking appearance and graceful presence make them a favorite among those seeking beautiful and elegant birds for their backyard flocks. And there you have it, a glimpse into the intriguing world of the Black Langshan hen. These elegant and historically significant birds, with roots in China and a legacy of beauty. From their striking appearance to their role as ornamental birds, they bring an air of grace to any poultry yard. If you found this exploration as fascinating as we did, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more engaging species on our channel.